dear students. Today in Maths, we are going to start chapter 12, Geometry. Before we start the chapter, we will first revise the 4 basic shapes that you learnt in your previous class. They are, yes, triangle, square, rectangle and circle. Children, these are called plane figures because they are drawn on a plane surface. Okay. Now we are going to draw these figures and describe them. That is, we are going to write about these shapes. What do they look like? What are their characteristics? अब हम इन चारों shapes को बनाएंगे और इनके बारे में लिखेंगे. So let's proceed. Children, the first shape is triangle. Okay, as you can see, I have drawn a triangle with the help of a pencil and a scale. How? I made 3 dots and connected these dots with the help of a scale and pencils. इस ट्रायंगल को बनाने के लिए मैंने 3 डॉट्स बनाए और उन्हें स्केल और पेंसिल की हेल्प से जोड़ दिया. Okay. Now we are going to describe it. This figure represents a triangle. Children, the word tri, T-R-I, means 3. Okay. So the name is triangle ABC. The 3 dots that I made are being named as A, B, C. So a triangle is always named by the vertices, that is the corners. Okay. So the name of the shape is triangle ABC. Sides. It has 3 sides. That is why it is called a triangle. The sides are, how can you name the sides? You can simply name the sides by looking at the figure and the dots which are connected by the line. AB, first side. BC, second side. CA or AC is the third side. Okay. Vertices, children. Vertices means corners. Okay. A corner is also known as a vertex. Vertices is the plural of vertex. So how many vertices does a triangle have? Yes, it has 3 vertices, which are, you have to name the dots, okay, the points. They are the corners. A, B, C. The sides of a triangle may or may not be equal. Okay. ट्रायंगल के साइड्स या तो कभी बराबर हो सकते हैं या कभी इक्वल नहीं भी हो सकते. The most important point that you have to remember is, while you name a triangle, you always name a triangle with its vertices. हम जब भी किसी ट्रायंगल का नाम लिखते हैं, हम उसके कॉर्नर्स के हिसाब से लिखते हैं. This triangle has 3 corners, ABC, so the name is also triangle ABC. Okay. Moving on to the second shape, a square. Here you can see, children, I have drawn a square. Okay. This figure represents a square. The name, similarly with the triangle, you represented the name with the corners. Okay. Here also the square will be named by the corners or the vertices. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners or 4 vertices. So the name of the square will be square ABCD. Okay. You can take any alphabet, any letters of the alphabet, but they should be in the sequence. Okay. So the sides are 4 sides. How do you name the sides? You look at the figure and the lines which join the 2 corners become one side. AB, BC, CD and DA or AD are the 4 sides. All sides of a square are equal. So AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. Now, vertices. Yes, it has 4 vertices. A, B, C, D. Next, in a square, we also have diagonals. Children, what are diagonals? The line joining the opposite corners or the vertices are called diagonals. In the figure you can see, I have drawn 2 blue lines. These blue lines connect or join the opposite corners. Like the opposite corners A and C is joined by one single line, and the other opposite corners B and D are joined by another blue line. So the two diagonals of this square are, yes, AC and BD. Children, the next figure is a rectangle. Here also I have taken 4 dots to draw a rectangle, but the difference is the dots are not placed evenly, because when the dots are placed evenly at same distance, they become a square. But here it is not so. This figure represents a rectangle. So the name of the figure is, you look at the figure, find the corners and name the letters. Rectangle PQRS. As I told you, you can take any letters, but they should be in a sequence. Sides. It has 4 sides. Very simple. PQ, QR, RS or SP. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. This is the property of a rectangle. So, it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. The 2 long and equal sides are PQ and RS. So, PQ equals to RS. And the 2 shorter sides are PS equals to QR. Next, we have the vertices. It has 4 vertices. P, Q, R, S. It also has 2 diagonals, just like a square, because this also has 4 corners. So 2 lines connect the opposite corners, which are PR and QS. Students, the last shape is a circle. Children, this figure represents a circle with a center O. I have taken the cap of a bottle to draw this circle. You can also take help of objects like bangles or cap of a water bottle. Make sure to dry it. It is a plain, closed and curved figure. Okay? It has no sides and no vertex.